To Asian hair or to not Asian hair? To Asian hair. Ugh. What is good, YouTube? It's Leon from Sneaker Klinic. We're gonna do a sneaker cleaning tutorial for you guys. First of all, my name Leon. I am a Leo. Look at what my customer gave me. A nice bag. Giordano. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, okay. He actually provided brand new freaking white laces because he knows that I'm not going to be able to get this white. He wants me to actually lace it the same way. Asians. And to throw away these old laces, you know me, I'm not going to throw away the old laces. I'm going to actually give it back to him by shoving it inside the toe box. Now, I actually got started already. I got a clean bowl of water with some Rejuvenator solution in there. Just pour a little, don't squirt. Don't do what Rejuvenator does, squirt, squirt. I got some clean microfiber cloth inside the toe box area for a little toe shape when you're cleaning. I'm gonna start off with the soft bristle brush. 360 check this brown nasty Dior B23. Yeah, it is looking good. Make sure you wear a mask. Where's my mask? Yeah. Oh my god, it is oxidized. The clear plastic panels. This, I don't even know what's going on. Shake off just some, not a lot, because we need this foamy action. I'm gonna get started. No, it's not gonna make this shoe yellow. Goodness, just clean it. My god. Guys, how like over exaggerated, how weird do you want me to actually act? Because I think some of my new subscribers, they don't really understand my personality, huh? Yes, I know, this is not acting, this is actually my weird and real personality. Why am I brushing the shoe like I'm brushing the fur on the lion? Guys, you know what? I think I'm getting a little tired cleaning designer shoes because, I don't know, what's so special about the Dior's? I don't actually own a pair of Dior's or anything that's designer. I mean, this shoe reminds me of... Oh look, more Asian hair stuck onto my microfiber cloth. Interesting. Oh, coming from this shoe. That's a little short. Ooh, this one's pretty long. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't think my left hand is coordinating right now. Wait, if I can just do... Oh, no. Nope. Nope. Let's just wrap this up. Oh, shit. I'm not supposed to clean the laces. Pass me some scissors. No, no, no. Don't do this at home. Carefully, don't cut the shoe. Okay. Woo. You know what? Everyone gets the point. Just follow me on Instagram at sneaker.clinic. Before and after photo. You just clean the shoe. Everyone knows how to clean a shoe. And you don't ever throw scissors like that again. You're gonna get fired. Oh man, look at these like Chinese noodles. What? You got a message from a customer? Yeah. How come he's not messaging me? He said that he wants the old laces back? Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's just great. Great. S-H-I-T. Yeah. What does that spell? Shh.